Brink's, a trusted name in security since 1859. With Brink's Deadbolts, you can feel secure knowing your family and valuables are safe. The Brink's digital deadbolt offers the convenience of keyless entry. Installation is simple. In just a few minutes, you can easily improve the appearance of your home, make it more secure, and add the convenience of keyless entry. Note: work with the door open until the lock is installed and tested to avoid an accidental lockout. Before installation, you may need to adjust the latch back set. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the back set. If the distance is 2 3/8 inches, you can use the latch out of the box as the latch is preset at 2 3/8 inches. On doors that have 2 3/4 inch back set, you can simply adjust the latch by twisting it into position as shown. Replace your existing strike on the door jamb with the one included in the box. You may need to chisel out more material if the old strike is smaller than the new strike. Insert the latch into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure it is in the upright position as indicated on the latch body. Use a Phillips screwdriver and 2 screws to install the latch. Insert the keypad assembly from the exterior side of the door. First, thread the cable through the door underneath the latch. Next, with the latch bolt retracted, insert the tail piece horizontally into the latch. Place the mounting plate on the interior side of the door, threading the cable through the slot on the mounting plate. Insert the 2 mounting plate screws and begin to fasten. Be sure the mounting plate and the keypad assembly are straight, then securely tighten the screws. Before installing the receiver assembly, determine if the lock is on a right-handed or left-handed door. When facing the exterior of the door, if the hinges are on the right, then it's a right-handed door. If the hinges are on the left, then it's a left-handed door. For right-handed doors, turn the turnpiece of the receiver assembly counterclockwise to the left. For left-handed doors, turn the turnpiece of the receiver assembly clockwise to the right. Remove the battery cover of the receiver assembly by first pushing it up until the tabs on the cover are aligned with the slots in the receiver assembly. Then, pull the cover off. Connect the exterior wire to the interior wire by aligning the red marks and pushing them together. Then insert the tail piece into the slot of the receiver assembly and snap the assembly over the mounting plate. Test the operation by rotating the turnpiece back and forth. The bolt should extend and retract freely. Note: if the bolt does not extend, recheck the handing of the door. Tighten the receiver assembly with the 3 receiver screws, as shown. To confirm the bolt goes into the strike plate, from the inside, close the door and rotate the turnpiece to extend the bolt. If not aligned, you'll need to adjust the position of the strike plate. Insert 4 AA batteries using the diagram in the battery compartment, then replace the battery cover. Important: when first installing the lock or after restoring the lock to its default settings, you must allow the lock to detect the handing of the door before you can program it. Enter 0000, then push the Brink's button. The button will flash orange. Push 0, and the Brink's button will flash orange again. Push the Brink's button to confirm. The Deadbolt will automatically go through a handing process. Once completed, you will hear 2 beeps and the Brink's button will flash green twice. Note: if you push the buttons too quickly, the lock may not accept the program. With the door open, practice the operation of your Deadbolt. To lock, press the Brink's button. You will hear 1 beep and the Brink's button will flash green, confirming the bolt is extended. To unlock, enter the default user code 1234, then press the Brink's button. In just a few easy steps, you have updated your home with the convenience of keyless entry by installing a beautiful, durable, and secure Brink's digital deadbolt.